Hello, hello, it's your boy Web38 coming at you with another DePin project on Solana, which is most likely going to be your biggest airdrop of 2025, and it's called Gradient Network. Now, with this being said, it is an open layer for edge compute on Solana, pretty similar to Grass. If you've seen my last video, if not, please highly recommend watching it. You're going to be using your, so I will explain this, but it's similar in the aspect to Grass, where it is we're using your unused internet bandwidth and going to be getting you some rewards towards that. Now, how it's being used is it's an open source. This is what this means over here. And the edge compute is you're using your internet data as your unused internet bandwidth, by the way, as like its own remote data server, and you're going to become a validator. You're going to be helping basically lower latency of the internet across the world, and you're going to be getting taps with the proof of connection with other people who are doing the exact same thing. Like myself or you in the near future, you're going to be getting rewards for doing this. Now, with that being said, you also get points for just having it up, which is about 0.25 for every 10 minutes. Yeah, you receive 0.25 points for every 10 minutes, and then you do get 0.75 for every single tap. There's multiple ways to get points for this and maximize what you're going to be doing and what you're using. And also, I would like to say that you get 10% bonus on when every time you invite somebody, and also both parties get an extra 20 points. Now, the way to get started is you'll go to, oh, I do want to say before that, the Gradient Network is followed by some amazing accounts. I always love seeing that they're followed by accounts that I follow already. It makes me even more bullish. So Soulflare, the Solana wallet themselves following them. I love that. Solana themselves are following them. I love that. It makes me more bullish. And I also saw Yuan, which is someone who was a dev for the Helium team, which is another DePin project, or that's actually a different project on Solana, but that has to do with decentralized mobile service, which is amazing. I can make another video for that another time. But with that being said, I do want y'all to get started because you should not be walking, but running to this. And you'll go to your web browser and you'll go type in gradient.network. You'll click join. And once you start typing all your information over here, you'll actually get to a page that looks like this. And I'll recommend turning that to dark mode because that was very bright. But there's like 3 steps you can do here when you first get in. It's not going to show me that now because I already have started. But you definitely do want to get those XP for following them on X. I would highly recommend just keeping it on because one, you would know what stay in the know, and also you'd be able to get these extra XP points because each time you level up, you'll be getting more of a boost towards the rewards you get. Now, with that being said, I do want to note that each user should only have one account. And you can have multiple nodes on your internet, but it's just one Sentry node per device. Now, if you did have multiple devices on your IP, just know that you're going to get split rewards. I highly recommend not going through a VPN or any of this stuff over here because you would most likely be getting in trouble or restricted. So I would recommend against that. With that being said, once you actually get in and everything over here, you're going to actually want to also go to extensions and get the Gradient Sentry Node extension. And it would show you once you're up exactly how much you get. So I've had 3 taps today in 3 hours and 20 minutes. I would just equate that to about 3 taps per every 3 hours. And then that would be getting me, as we know, it would be getting me 0.75 points per hour. And then on top of that, another 0.25 every 10 minutes. So pretty good yield right now. Not really other tests like other numbers to go off of, but I'm thinking this is pretty decent and it can only get better from here as we educate the others and get more involved and keep our nodes up and running. Now, with that being said, the rewards on this, let's see. There are multiple achievements you can get and get more XP to level up and get more rewards towards what you're earning. Because this is, like I said, season 0. This is very, very, very early. Like so early that I need you all to please join because this only benefits you. Now, there is such thing as account boost, which I just kind of skipped through these two because I talked about them briefly. But I plan on getting to diamond. That's going to be 10% extra for all the stuff I do. All I have to do is complete tasks so I can get to that 10% extra. Which I mean, to me, another 10% sounds amazing, honestly. And please, please, please use my referral. I will put it in the chat. And then if you didn't want to click on the link, if you can just use my referral code, I'd highly appreciate it, as we both would get 20 points. And then please share this video with your friends and your family as the well, in this case, I would be getting the points for this, but I want you to spread this knowledge so that you can also get get the benefit from this as well, you would just share this video with them and then tell them to use your referral code. So that way we can all benefit from this. We're trying to grow the network together, not anyone trying to get one up on another, but everyone lifting up each other. Now, with that being said, like I was saying, share that love. You do get rewarded for it. And if anything, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. But hope you all have a great, amazing rest of your day and spreading that peace and positivity. Peace.